Ever launched a limited time sale, but shoppers didn't feel the urgency? When there's no clear deadline, customers often delay, and delayed decisions mean lost sales. That's why we built Crucials, the all-in-one BigCommerce app packed with over 30 tools to help you boost sales, including the sale countdown timer. To get started, just search for Crucials on the BigCommerce App Store and install it in a few clicks. Once you've installed Crucials, you'll find all the available tools in the sidebar, making it easy to browse and switch between them. Head over to Sale Countdown Timer and enable it with a single click. Next, create a new Sale Countdown Timer campaign and fully customize its appearance. Set the countdown end time, adjust the colors, size, and text to align perfectly with your brand. Once saved, your live store now shows a bold, real-time countdown, creating urgency and encouraging faster checkouts. Sale Countdown Timer is just one of over 30 tools in Crucials designed to boost sales and improve your BigCommerce store. Try it today and turn browsers into buyers before time runs out.